Hello friends, on 1st of May 2021, government came out with some relief for GST taxpayers. They have been asking this last 1 month because of the pandemic situation. Government could not give any relief in the last 1 month because of ongoing elections and there was a model code of conduct. Since that was over, on 1st of May, some relief measures was announced by the government through notifications. So I will split the discussion into two parts. One, for the taxpayers having their aggregate turnover more than 5 crores, and for the taxpayers having the aggregate turnover of less than 5 crores in the previous financial year. For the taxpayers having their aggregate turnover more than 5 crores in the previous financial year, the relief is very little. For the returns pertaining to months of March and April 2021, GSTR 3B late fees waived off only for 15 days time. So no late fee will be levied for 15 if the returns are filed within 15 days from the due date. But interest for the 15 days will be charged at the rate of 9%. Beyond 15 days, it will be charged at the normal rate of 18%. Less than 5 crores taxpayers, the relief is more. For the month of March and April returns, for GSTR 3B, there is no late fee for 30 days from the due date. So if the returns are filed within 30 days from the due date, there is no late fee. For interest, for the first 15 days, there is no interest. For the next 15 days, interest is at 9% per annum, and a delay beyond 30 days, a normal interest rate of 18% will be levied. So this is for the monthly filers having the turnover less than 5 crores for the month of returns for the month of March and April 2021. For the quarterly filers who file quarterly returns for the period for the last quarter January to March 2021, again the 30 days time is given. There is no late fee for that, and interest also for the first 15 days there is no interest, next 15 days 9%, and thereafter 18%. There is some relief given for filing of GSTR 1 for the month of April 2021. GSTR 1, which originally should have been filed by 11th, they have extended the date till 26th of May 2021 for April 2021 GSTR 1 return. For quarterly return filers, January to March 2021, where GSTR 1 had to be filed by 13th of April, they have given time till May 26th, 2021. Quarterly filers who are there in the quarterly return monthly payment scheme, where April 2021 IFF invoice for furnishing facility had to be filed for April 2021, they have given time from 1st May 2021 to 28th May 2021. So the window has been widened for the month of April IFF return. GSTR 4, which a composition taxpayer for the financial year 2021 has to be filed by 30th April 2021. They have given one more time and extended till 31st May 2021. ITC 04 for the goods supplied to job worker, a return for showing the details of goods sent to job worker, received from job worker quarterly. So for the quarter January to March, again they have given time till 31st May 2021. Coming to rule 36.4, where the input tax credit, which you can claim 5% over and above eligible ITC appearing in 2B. So that they have told cumulatively for April and May 2021, you can cumulatively take that 5% and take it in May 2021. So in April you did not follow 36(4) rule. In May, cumulatively for April and May, you can take it. So these are the few reliefs given as per the notifications as on 1/5/2021. Hope more reliefs will be given because of a severe pandemic and the second wave which is going on, and the taxpayers are expecting more relief so that their business and the working capital problems which they are facing now can be handled by them. Thank you.